today we're going to learn how to draw the parabola. So we're going to draw the parabola of this form, x squared plus bx plus c. Let's review some of the features of the parabola. A parabola can have two x-intercept or one intercept or no x-intercept. And there's one y-intercept and there's a vertex here which intersects with the axis of symmetry. Right, so we've seen this before. So what we're going to do is to do a question together. So let's look at this question. For each of the following, find the intercepts. Let's find the y-intercept, not y equal to 1. If you put x is 0, yeah, but you get 0 times 0. 0 times 1 is 0. So the y-intercept is 0. And the x-intercept is when y is 0. And they use the null factor law, x equal to 0 or x plus 1 is 0. Yes? Which means x is 0 or x is negative 1. Remember the null factor law we learned before in the quadratic expression chapter 8? Oh no, actually this chapter 10, when we learned the null factor law. Okay, good. So we got the 2 x-intercept and the 1 y-intercept. Got the idea? I think Jack knows this anyway. Okay. Yeah, well, he will catch up for the next one. Alright, let's move on. Okay, now we're not going to comment further. Why? No, I know what you mean. Okay, 2 times 0 plus 2, 0 minus 3. What's the time now? The timing here. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay. No, it's okay. No, it's alright. Okay, negative 12, which is y-intercept. Minus 12. Okay, next one. X-intercept is when y is 0. Okay, so you get x plus 2 is 0. Like that. Which means that x equal to negative 2, x equal to 3. Got the idea? Alright, next page, example 2.
Please go back or...
Sorry. Alright.
Yeah, where's Miles?
Okay, next question. Example 2. So the next bit we're going to do is to try to draw this graph. Now how do I draw this graph? We first factorize the relation y equal, take the x out, negative x, x minus 2. That's your first step. And let's find the y-intercept by putting x equal to 0. X equal to 0. And that becomes negative 0 times negative 2, which is 0. So 0 is the y-intercept, because there's a negative in front of 0. That's why I call it negative 0. Okay, x-intercept is when y is 0. And you put 0 and use the null factor law to solve this quadratic. Okay, alright. Negative x equal to 0 or x minus 2 is 0. Now negative x is 0 means x is 0 or x equal to 2. Thank you. Alright, cool. Okay. Okay, now let's look at what it looks like So we've got the x-intercept here and the other x-intercept. Let's plot the x-intercept first, and the y-intercept is on the same point as the x-intercept. So I'm going to plot the x-intercept first, so 0 and 2. 0 and 2. All right. Okay.
So, I really think you've had a helpful.
Okay, so negative x squared is a concave. Okay. Now, is the parabola concave up or down? How do we know? You have the negative, it's going to be concave down. So you draw a concave down parabola.
Sorry, Mom.
All right. All right.
You got one of those emergency call things, like when you get an yeah. Press the button.
I mean, I was there for both of the
Okay, after we do this, we're going to draw an axis of symmetry. Now, the axis of symmetry is exactly halfway between the x-intercept, which is 1. Right. Okay, now in case you don't know how to find 1, all you have to do is to average the 2 x-intercept first. That becomes 1. That's your axis of symmetry. Now, once you get the axis of symmetry, you need to work out the vertex. What's a vertex? Is a point on the axis of symmetry. So how do I get that? Yeah, x is 1, substitute into the equation, right? And the equation is x, negative x, x minus 2. Put 1 in here. What do you get? You get 1, you're right. So the turning point will be 1, 1. Any question? Y equal to 1. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Just 3 pages. So this one and the next one.
So that's 3 pages.
No, we just did, 3 pages, yeah.
So you're a math teacher, should be able to
All right, next question. Any question here? Yeah, we've got one more page to go through. No, it stops next page. The page afterwards is summary. Yeah, but because we did the first part of the summary on the equation, so that's why. All right, next one. Okay, next question. We've got this quadratic relation. So we have to factorize the relation first. So find numbers which multiply to get negative 8, add to get 2. What numbers would it be?
Positive 4 and negative 2.
Positive 4, negative 2. So right, positive 4, x minus 2. Oh, very good. Okay, how to find it? Y-intercept, put x is 0. And what do you get? You get negative 8. Right? And then put y, x-intercept, that's when x is 0. No, yeah, that's it. All right. So you go x plus 4 is 0, or x minus 2 is 0, x equal to negative 4, x equal to 2. All right, negative 4 and 2. Yeah. Negative 4 and 2.
Oh my god, the plumbing stopped. Both of the plumbing without it.
All right, good. Say again. Yeah. All right, we've got the x-intercept, and you have to get the y-intercept. Y-intercept is negative 8.
Go find Bob. You need him.
Oh yeah, he doesn't like it.
He has a special place.
All right, after we do this, we're going to find the vertex. Now, how do I get the x symmetry? Yep. So the 4, yeah, you just do half of the negative 4 and 2. What does that give you? Negative 1. So negative 1 here. That's right. You add these two numbers, divide by 2, so you get x is negative 1. Yeah. We are, and then we have to find the vertex. So at x is negative 1, the vertex become y equal negative 1 plus 4, negative 1 minus 2. That will be 3 times negative 3, negative 9. So we've got the point negative 1, negative 9, which is this point here. That's your vertex, which lies on the axis of symmetry. So once you got all of these, you can then join the dots. You get a parabola.
Oh, hey, Darren.
Hi, Darren.
How's it going, Darren?
Darren's back.
All right, parabola. All right, any question? That's good. All right, make sure.